We're at Singapore Changi Airport at Terminal 3. We're going to try and find our way to the Jewel. Now, I know we can walk, or we'll catch the SkyTrain. So, look for the SkyTrain signs, and away we go. So, if you are going to go to the Jewel, don't go through customs. If you go through customs, bad luck, you ain't going to the Jewel, because you ain't coming back out. You have to stay on the public side, because the Jewel's also got shops and everything else supposedly.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you. So I'm guessing with the SkyTrain we're going to walk all the way there and then do the last 100 metres in the SkyTrain.
No, it's 10-15 minute walk.
Yeah.
Or you catch the SkyTrains there. Not 10-15 minute walk. And then do the last 100 SkyTrain. We could walk it.
Got travelators.
Well, let's walk it. Alright.
Where we've got a link from? Yeah.
Yeah, well, alright. Yeah. Like I said, we've decided to go all the way to the SkyTrain and then walk instead.
Same way.
Well, we've only done 130 k's in a week on foot.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey.
Have you got your express pass or It says welcome to the Jewel. Are we here? I see lots of water. We could be here. Well, they said it was a 15-minute walk, but seriously, less than 5. Yeah, okay. Shuffle, shuffle, everybody. It's pretty good. And yeah, it's kind of humid in here. It's not too bad, but it's kind of humid. Up there's a nice walkway bridge, and it's definitely got a nice glass bottom on it, so if you're not scared of heights. I do believe, however, you've got to pay to go on there. Right up the top, it's a little lookout where you can look down. But I think there's just so many places that you can look from. So they call it the lift down. I guess it's B4 or B1. B1, I think. And oh wow, no, we're yeah, B1. So there must be 4 more floors below this, maybe. I don't know. Ah, you get wet here. Nice. It's nice and refreshing, nice and cool as well. The water rushing past is sort of causing a vacuum and the air is moving about. Definitely lots of people here. You don't have to be flying as well to come and have a look, because it is a multi-story shopping centre as well, so the general public could come here and buy some stuff without flying anywhere. So the Jewel flows 40 metres down into a basement area. It is the largest waterfall in the world. I guess they mean man-made. I guess the bridge is for the SkyTrain, which we were just up there before, but obviously we've come down. But the SkyTrain's, sorry, what you could catch to get here, but I'm not sure why you'd bother. If you're coming from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1, just walk. Takes less than 5 minutes. Man, it's definitely a lot of people here. That's okay. Ooh. We could go down, more shops. Oh. Get wet here. Yep, you do. It's like it's raining. I'd like to walk across the bridge. How much does that cost?
$8 best.
No worries, thank you. So that's just put my stuff in my bag. Nah, I'll be come across. I'll just go across. Thank you.
Next requirement, take the motorbike for the point to motor. Okay, so reminder, self-esteem driver is not allowed to spend
Oh. No toilets halfway.
yeah.
I'll be fine. Okay, we got through the hurdle of I'm not allowed on here to video. Kind of funny that I can't use my gimbal, but I can hold the camera. I definitely have better control of it with the gimbal. That does look good though. $8 it costs to walk across here, including tax, plus. If I was going to pick on this bridge for anything, it's because they put the track on this side and it hides half of the Jewel. But apart from that, it's pretty good. Lady's looking at me, waiting for me to hop off. Got the whole bridge to myself. That's pretty good. Whoop. No worries, thank you. Very good. Yeah, so now we're on shaky, hold it by hand mode because I wasn't allowed to use a gimbal. Go figure. Yeah, anyway. And the team's here to meet me.
Okay.